In 1911, a handyman walked out of the Louvre with the world's most famous painting hidden under his coat. Vincenzo Peruggia had the perfect inside job. He'd helped install the glass case protecting the Mona Lisa. He knew every guard routine, every security weakness. On a Monday when the museum was closed, he hid overnight in a supply closet. The next morning, he simply walked up to Leonardo's masterpiece, removed it from the frame, and slipped it under his work coat. Nobody noticed for an entire day. When an artist finally spotted the empty wall, guards assumed it was being photographed somewhere else. The French police launched a massive manhunt. They questioned thousands of suspects, even interrogated Pablo Picasso, but Peruggia was hiding in plain sight. The painting sat in his tiny Paris apartment for 2 years. His downfall came when he tried selling it to an Italian art dealer, claiming he was returning it to its homeland. This wasn't about money, it was about patriotism. The theft made the Mona Lisa the most famous painting on Earth.